Best introduces Cattura, a new downdraft that, unlike the competition, can be used with the cooking surface you desire. Traditional cooktop, built-in oven, freestanding range, or range top, regardless of brand. How can you do that with a downdraft? It's easy with the new Flex Blower system from Best. The Best downdraft can be installed like most typical downdrafts, with the blower mounted to the front while affording adequate clearance for both cooktops and range tops. However, the design of the Flex Blower system allows the blower to be placed in multiple locations, which also allows for an absolutely clear front when using ranges or built-in ovens. The Flex Blower can mount to the right or left into a neighboring cabinet space to avoid obstructions directly in front of the downdraft, or just to open up the cabinet space. At the same time, it can work around obstructions below the floor, allowing the ductwork or even the blower to run under the floor and then vent to the outside for even quieter operation. You can also position the blower behind the downdraft or below the floor. The downdraft can also be used with our full line of inline and exterior blowers, making it the perfect fit for any new, remodel, or replacement application. And if your application cannot be vented, you can install the downdraft as recirculating. The non-duct kit slides right underneath, into the toe kick space. Best Cattura is designed to be the quietest operating downdraft and the most flexible of any downdraft on the market today. When activated, this new sleek design quietly rises up to expose conveniently mounted controls and LED task lighting that covers the entire cooktop, even the pots on the front burners. Best has redefined downdraft technology. The combination of the 18-inch height and our unique Vertex Complete Capture Design inlet provides superior capture, as good as an island hood. An optional remote button can be mounted wherever it's most convenient. And when the cooking is done, Cattura recedes and is hidden by a stainless cover, allowing your kitchen space to be open once again. The Best Cattura Downdraft. Powerful, quiet, and with a universal fit to complement the design of your kitchen.